I tested this strategy and in 48 hours the results shocked me. At the end of this video, I will show you how to convert viewers into subscribers without asking them to subscribe. You're wondering how, right? Alright, I have helped small creators grow from 0 to 1k subscribers, even more than those with 10k subscribers. I know you're still shocked, right? Just follow me through the video and I'm going to show I've heard a lot of people talk about long videos, actually a hook or a way of getting subscribers. I'm going to tell you today that long videos aren't the secret. Yeah, of course, short videos, people actually skip this step and they get it all wrong. Yes, for sure, if you do everything right and you skip this step, you skip doing this step rightly, you will get views but there won't be any subscribers. Sure, just follow me now as I show you through using the Chrome browser. Okay,
so guys, this is it. So I'm going to be using Google Chrome to show you how to get your 1k subscribers in 48 hours. Alright, so let's get started into how it works. Now you just go to your YouTube channel, you open to your YouTube app, you open to your channel, then go to this button here, these 3 dots here, you click on share. When you click on share, and you see copy link, quick share and QR code, then you will click on copy link, so to get our link copied. Alright, okay, now it is copied. Now then you head back to the Google Chrome. Alright, click on the Google Chrome, open it, and then you search for free autoscribe link generator. You can see free autoscribe link generator, then you open it. It's loading. Now it has opened. The next thing you do now is to click on the first one which says free YouTube autoscribe link generator. You click on it. As you can see, I've clicked on it before, that's why it's actually on that color. Now it has opened and this is the page it has opened for us. The next thing to do is you see, okay, free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. You see paste the YouTube channel URL. Now we click on it, click and hold, you can see, then you paste the link we copied earlier and then it's copied. Now we move to generate, click on generate. Alright, now it has generated a link for the channel. Right, the next thing you do now is, okay, sorry, this network is, click on generate. Now after generating the link, then you click on copy link to clipboard. Now you've copied the link to clipboard. Alright, then you click on OK. The next thing you do, still in this Google Chrome, is to go to your dashboard. That's your channel dashboard, your channel's dashboard. You click on it. You can actually search for it, but I've been using it, so that's why it's popping up. So let me just use it like that. Okay, YouTube dashboard, channel dashboard. Now it is open. You click on continue to studio. Alright, loaded. Now this is the page, it has appeared. Then you click on optimization. Now this icon here below, optimization. If you don't see this optimization, remember there will be 3 dots here, this one at the top, right, left hand side. You can click on it for these icons to come out. Now this is customization button. You click on it, it's now open. Then you scroll down, scroll with me down, then you see where it's written add link. Alright, then you click on, you can see links. Alright, you can see add link, and you click on the add link button. Now you can see it said link title. Okay, now you can just put a title. You can say subscribe now, or you can say subscribe now, or subscribe please. So I'll be using subscribe please. Okay, you've seen it as a link title. Then you go now to your URL, that's the link. Now the link you copied, now that you generated and you copied, you come here now, you paste the link right here. Okay, you can see now it has been pasted. So what you do now is to head up, it will the top, you see where it says publish. All right, then you click on publish. Now it has published your link on your YouTube channel. All right, so now why do you do it? This is done because when you actually copy this link and paste it on your YouTube channel, when the viewers come, they find it easy to click on your subscribe button because it's going to be visible there. Once they just open your channel, they just see subscribe button there and they click on it without much stress. That is the importance and why it is actually needed for you to get this 1K subscribers in 48 hours, guys. 48 hours. And it is very possible because I have done it and it worked for me. A lot have done it and it has worked for them. Okay, guys, that's not all. Now let me show you now what we just did. Let's go back to the YouTube app. Now you open the YouTube app now and you go to you view your channel. Now after you've opened the channel, you click on more. You can see that it's here. This is the links. Now these are the buttons already here.
Alright, so if this video has impacted into you, yeah, if you've learned something new in this video and you would like to see more of such videos in my channel, just do well to click the subscribe button for more of such rich content. Alright, take care, see you in my next video. Goodbye.